affect my whatever investments that I put into your
You see, the honest truth is, yes, the GDP has been rebased, but it actually, what it does, it showcases how big the Nigerian economy is, but also the opportunities to invest. Now, you as a general, somebody in the public may not even be able to identify what these opportunities are. Take, for example, Seplat was listed recently, right? But it was only available to high net worth individuals and institutional investors. By using a mutual fund, you have access to that kind of investment, right? So if any of the telecoms companies comes to list, for example, we're not sure whether they would offer it to general public or they would the same thing do HNIs and institutional investors. When you use a mutual fund, you have access to this because you're part of the, your investment manager is an institutional investor and investing on your behalf.
So simply speaking, you're saying, yes, the GDP has increased, and what that means is that it has opened up more opportunities for everyone who would tap into it, but that still does not mean you understand what opportunities to tap into, and that's where you come in to help us maximize.
All right, thank you very much. Very well put. Very well put. So I guess anybody that wants to invest, and they do invest, FBN Capital Asset Management gives the opportunity of getting regular updates. Is it daily updates in the newspapers?
Yes.
Daily update in the newspaper, online website is there. Fund managers are available, email, and the email is invest@fbncapital.com. The website, you can go there, fbncam.com, and the phone number you said is
081-0082-0082.
All right, so that's how to reach them. Thank you very much, Michael Oyebola, the Managing Director, Chief Investment Officer, FBN Capital Asset Management Limited. Great to have you here. We hope you come back soon and give us more insight into how to invest and what to do with our money.
Thank you very much.
Sunrise will take a break. When we come back, another interesting conversation, but I won't go away without letting you know that it's a few days more to the World Economic Forum on Africa, to be hosted by Nigeria. And of course, I must drop this in, Channels Television is the host broadcaster.
That's right.
Our business correspondent, Chimeze Obiwagu, joins us now on our Focus on Economy segment to tell us more about this and what it means to Nigeria.
Africa's growth trajectory is projected to remain above 5% in 2014, with West Africa the fastest growing sub-region, representing the continent's largest business opportunity. Nigeria, now Africa's largest economy and most populous nation with over 160 million people, already plays a crucial role in advancing the continent's growth. Yet, it is faced with a lot of economic challenges. And so, as the 24th World Economic Forum on Africa brings together regional and global leaders to discuss innovative structural reforms and investments that can sustain the continent's growth while creating jobs and prosperity for all its citizens, Focus this week takes a look at what this could mean for the country. The West African sub-region is made up of 16 countries, including Nigeria. And for the first time, the foremost World Economic Forum is coming to this region with Nigeria as the host.
It brings Nigeria into focus, into close focus. It takes us to the economic center stage.
This 24th World Economic Forum on Africa has as its theme, Forging Inclusive Growth, Creating Jobs.
We couldn't have got a better team. Creating jobs is critical. If we want to deal with the issue of poverty that you referred to earlier, you have to create jobs for people.
Nigeria, which recently emerged as the largest economy in Africa, with a GDP of $510 billion, has the largest population and consumer market, and therefore is regarded as the main target of the investors.
We get from all over the world interested people that do financial investments everywhere in the world and are coming here for a specific opportunity in Nigeria.
Coming to Nigeria, some of them for the first time, is going to show them the opportunities that exist. And traditionally, people have known Nigeria basically as a producer of oil. What they did not realize is that Nigeria is very strong in services.
While Nigeria seeks to use this opportunity to attract more foreign direct investment, the country is not oblivious of the fact that the consumers need to be protected.
Whatever investment that you are gathering, and you are bringing people all over the world to discuss the economy, because the economy is benchmarked on investment, and investment tapers down to the end users of whatever trade and investment comes in. And we are at the latter end waiting that your investment, whilst we encourage you to make profit, must also meet standards for which consumers will be happy to patronize.
There will be several sessions anchored on 3 program pillars: accelerating society's transformation, deepening investment partnerships, and redesigning growth models.
Implementation is the issue, because you talk, you can brainstorm, you can provide solutions, you can brainstorm and give blueprints to the government. Who is going to implement? Is there a commitment on the part of the government? I hope so. And so on. So it's a good. Well, it depends on how the government now implements the decision or some of the outcome of the discussion.
We take this very seriously. It's important to us, for instance, that this is coming to Nigeria for the first time. We don't want it to be the last time. What it then means is that we must deliver a world-class event.
What this means is that all hands must be on deck to ensure the success of this event now and beyond.